Buongiorno patrons, it's Trevor here. I'm out on a road trip and it's quite exciting actually. You might have read my newsletter. If you did, then you will know exactly where I am. I'm up at the Peak District, or I'm staying at the moment. I'm in a hotel in Nottingham, paid for by a company called Brand Nation, who are doing a promotional sort of exercise. It's like a launch party for Rab's new sleeping bag, which I think we get one. I hope so, because it's the only thing I haven't bought is a sleeping bag, because it wasn't on the list. So yeah, they've paid for me to stay in this hotel. They did offer to pay for me to get a train up, but I thought I'd drive because the train was going to take me like 7 or 8 hours with loads of changeovers. To drive just took me 4 hours, plus I got a new car which I haven't really driven yet, so that was exciting. I just toodled up here. I had all day to do it, sort of cruise control on, didn't even use half a tank, which is ideal. I've stopped on the way up, go outdoors, and then there's a decathlon just across the road, which was amazing. Don't get any decathlons down where we are, so it was absolutely huge. So I bought a few more bits in there. But yeah, I'm staying at this hotel called Chatterley House. It's ever so lovely, nice. Don't get a cooked breakfast though. But yeah, in a minute we'll have a look in this bag here and I'll show you what I've bought today. But first of all, let me read what kind of things I've been getting up to on this trip. It's quite exciting. So day 1 at 9 AM, arrive at Equip HQ for welcome beverages and breakfasts. And then at 10 to 10:45 there'll be a brand event briefing. And then at 10:45 to 11 we travel to a sleeping bag filling station, and we see the down filling station demonstration of filling and an opportunity to film any content you need. And then at 1 o'clock we return to Equip UK office, have some lunch, and then we're going to travel for 45 minutes to a campsite. We set up camp, and then at 3:45 until 6 o'clock we're going to go for a hike. So this will be the first time I've hiked on the Peak District, which is great. And then at 6 o'clock back at the campsite, then we go off to a Q&A and a film screening at a local pub with dinner and drinks all thrown in. Then it's back to the campsite where at 5 where we go to bed, and then at 5 AM in the morning we're going to wake up for a hike at 5:30 to watch the sunrise from a sunrise spot. And then at 6:15 it's the sunrise, we have some breakfast, then we hike back to the campsite, decamp, clear up and return home, finishing around 9:30. So it's quite a lot to do. I'm really excited for it. Got my camera, so I will make a video. So quite exciting to see the Peak District, and it's quite amazing actually, because for some reason I always thought it was further than like the lakes and Snowdon, but it's actually the closest out of all of those to get to. It took me like 4 hours. So I'm going to make sure I do a lot of the Peak District this year. But anyway, we'll have a look in here. My go outdoors bag and my decathlon stuff. Now the one thing they said is like, oh, make sure you wear all your Rab gear. Well, I don't own any Rab gear. I own a t-shirt, which I'm wearing, and that's it. Until I bought a bivy bag recently, which I haven't used. And that's it. So Chris Benton last week, cheers Chris, lent me his down jacket, Rab jacket, so I wasn't completely Rabless. But then today I went in to go outdoors and I thought, right, I'm just going to have a look. And lo and behold, they had for 90 quid a Rab waterproof jacket. So I thought, let's get this weatherproof jacket. So I'm replacing my orange jacket that is the same as Nafe's. I've got this one. Do you want me to put it on to show you? There we go. I've got extra large so it don't show my belly up. That's the trouble. Get rid of that belly. So yeah, I've got a new Rab jacket, and then I thought I needed another hat, and I found a Rab beanie as well. So I'm proper Rabbed up now, and then once we're up on that for that sunset spot or whatever, then I've got Chris's jacket to pull out and put on over the top, so I won't look like a complete Rabless freak. But Then I bought a couple of fire pot meals. After my tins froze last week when I was camping, I've bought some sort of winterproof Isopro MSR tins, gas canisters, so hopefully that shouldn't happen again. I'll probably saving for next year now. It's probably going to get warmer now. It looks like spring's in the air now. Then I bought some gloves, Berghaus those, so don't tell anyone, it's not Rab. So I picked up a pair of gloves. That was it from Go Outdoors. And then I got up to here and I've had a look at Decathlon, and I really like the Decathlon hiking trousers. I've got one pair already, so I thought I'd buy a second pair. Not that the pair I've had for about 2 years. I've had them since before lockdown. They're still like brand new, but I thought we can't hurt to buy a second pair, seeing that they're so good. 29 quid for them. Really comfortable, really durable, lightweight. They unzip, turn into shorts as well. So yeah, great job. I thought I'd pick up another pair of them. And then I needed some more hiking socks, so I picked up a couple of Kuracha hiking socks as well. They were the same price as the trousers, funnily enough. They wasn't labelled with a price, but when I scanned them in, yeah, they was also $29.99, but you get 2 pairs, so that'd be fine. And then I bought some Isotonic energy gels for Donna for her running. So there you go, that's what I bought in there. Anyway, that's been me in Chatterley House. Now I'm going to go and have a cup of coffee before I go out, find some tea somewhere. Yeah, and I'll keep you posted as to my Rab week away. Looking forward to it. Chase.